come with me. Let's make some rice. Come on in. Come on to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make some delicious rice. So, do you like rice or don't you like rice? After watching this video, you will wanna be eating rice every day. Come on with me. Come on. Make sure you watch all the way to the end. This is gonna be one of your best videos ever. Count me on that. But before I leave or before I start, be sure to subscribe so you'll be able to get my videos. You know, when I upload videos, click the like button. Also, thank you. Welcome if this is your first time. Thank you for being here, and please subscribe, like this video, and watch to the end. You will gain a thing or two. Thanks. Let's start. Put the pepper slices into this bowl and add some salt. Leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add some oil in the pot. Here I have the onions and the garlic, salad shrimps, mixed veggies and cilantro, and sliced pepper mixed with salt. Add the garlic to infuse the flavor in the oil. Add the garlic, the onions. Let the onions cook until it is translucent and also absorb the flavor of the garlic. Cover for a minute. Some salt. You can see the onions are translucent. Add the salad shrimp. Aroma is all over the room at this time. Cover and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna measure some rice to wash. 4 cups of rice. It's now very tender, though this shrimp was already cooked, but I wanted to make sure that it's really tender. Now it's tender and full of flavor, and it's time to add our rice. Mix everything together. Add more seasoning if you need to. 4 cups of water. Add some adobo, my favorite. This rice is going to be very flavorful and tasty. Add the pepper that I blended or I pounded earlier. Turmeric, just for color. For more color, you can add a little bit of this saffron. This is saffron. This is exactly what it looks like. A little bit goes a long way. Cover everything and let it simmer on a very low heat. Cover it with foil. So let the rice now cook with the steam for about 5 minutes. See, all the water is almost gone. Now it's time to add remember the pepper that we soaked in a little bit of salt. See, it kind of drain out some of the water in the pepper. Now it's time to add the pepper, our mixed veggies. Look at the color. Are you feeling this rice? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? Look at how beautiful this rice looks. You find out the trick to cooking rice with steam. You cover it with the foil. Before you know it, it is done. What is the importance of it? It gives it a very good texture. Very good texture. The water like literally disappeared. The pepper that we soaked in the salt literally gives it a better taste that you can literally chew the pepper just the way it is. Of course, you can eat the pepper raw in salads. Yeah, so we're not gonna cook it a lot, and the vegetables doesn't take that much to cook. Can you see the color of this? Can you see the magic of the saffron and the turmeric in this rice? Can you see it? Can you see it? As you taste it, you determine how much water you need. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 more cups of water. As you add the water, you have to add a little more seasoning to it to preserve the taste that you already have. Mix well again, and then we'll cover with the foil one more time, and our rice will be ready in just a minute. Cover with foil and let it cool with steam. Are you still watching? If you are, have you subscribed yet? Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Click that subscribe button. Like this video and keep watching to the end. Are you liking it? Liking it? Give it a thumbs up. Keep watching. The rice is done. Look how delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get these recipes. If you like this video, please click the like button, click the subscribe button as well, and most importantly, thank you for viewing this video. Please come back and watch more videos. Go to my playlist and see more amazing videos. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you going to try it? What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? And let's serve it. Have you checked out my playlist? I have some wonderful videos that you might want to see. Check out my playlist. I have some wonderful videos there. Alright, but keep watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for continuing to watch. You will love it. You gain a 10 or 2 in this video. Garnish it. Thank you for watching. Delicious, delicious rice. Just look at it. All right, thank you for watching again. See you in my next video. Bye.